This is a 2004 Mazda RX-8. Its top features include a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, and cruise control. Not to mention that this Mazda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Mercedes-Benz of Daytona Beach is located at 1720 Mason Avenue in Daytona Beach. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.